How to fix Gmail not responding on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve Gmail freezing and crashing issues on your Android device. First, check your internet connection by opening any browser. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data properly. Next, open the Settings application on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Following that, find and tap on Gmail in the app list. Now, tap on Force Stop at the bottom. This will completely close Gmail if it's frozen. Tap on OK to confirm. Moving forward, tap on Storage to access storage options. Tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Don't tap Clear Data, as this will log you out and delete offline emails. Afterwards, go back to the Gmail app info page. Look for App Details or the three dots at the top right. Tap on it and select Uninstall Updates if available. This removes recent updates that might be causing issues. Alternatively, check for a newer update by opening the Play Store. Search for Gmail and tap on Update if it's available. Installing the latest version can fix bugs and crashes. Now, press and hold the power button on the side of your device. Tap on Restart from the menu. Wait for your phone to completely reboot. After restarting, open Gmail again. The app should now respond and work smoothly. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix Gmail not responding on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.